Hey, you.
Me?
Yes, you. Did you know you could qualify for a cash settlement of up to $5,000?
Hi, I'm Kilgore.
Let's hear it for our next guest, world-famous American painter, Carla Hansen.
I figured it out.
What, deodorant?
No! No, Jim, I figured out my purpose in life.
How wonderful. How'd you crack the case?
Well, it all started when I met that homeless guy at the park.
I watch her fall as the obscurities of passion take. No! Hello?
Hey Mark, how's it going? Still working on the next great American novel?
Yeah, I am. I just can't figure out how to end it. I'm almost there. I can just taste it.
I'm Janet Jehoseph.
And that's why I never use the color yellow.
Wow, that is just hilarious, Carla. Now, as an artist, how do you assign meaning to what you create?
To me, art has always been about self-expression. While art easily can and often does go deeper, art can simply be without speaking a greater message.
Interesting. Well, thank you, Carla. We'll be right back after these messages.
So you're telling me you meet this street performer, and now all your life's problems are solved?
Exactly.
Well, I gotta meet this guy.
Yeah. You see, I was walking in the park, and I was just minding my business, and that's when I heard this homeless guy playing the most beautiful guitar I'd ever heard.
Okay.
And I don't know, he just seemed so happy. Like, he was just sitting there all by himself. He didn't even have an audience. But he seemed so... He just seemed so content.
It's fine.
Fine?
Fine, not bad.
What do you mean, not bad?
I mean, it's not daring. 15 years ago, this would have been great, but now there's too much of it.
Well, thank you for your time.
But what is art without an audience?
It's still art.
But if nobody sees it, how does one assign value?
I think art can exist simply as expression and be no less beautiful than art that is highly praised. I see art as a challenge to express oneself in new, daring ways. Art's worth can be found in its objective beauty, sure, but the true beauty of art lies in the ways that it stretches limits of mediums and perceptions.
Hey, O'Neill.
Oh, hey, Jim. Hey, Bernice.
You look relaxed.
Yeah, man. This is it. This is the good life.
What happened to your friend?
Oh, so it turns out he was actually just an NYU student doing a social experiment. So I was the outlier.
Well, your fly's down and your guitar's out of tune. Let's go outlier.
It got rejected again.
Oh, Mark, I'm so sorry to hear that.
I just don't get it. I pour my heart and soul into this thing, my very essence, and it's called fine or unoriginal.
Well, I'm sure it wasn't personal.
It is, though. It has to be. This novel, it's me. It's my childhood, my pain, all my fears, my trauma. Unoriginal. He called my pain unoriginal. I mean, all that suffering. It has to mean something, right? What was it all for then?
What's my line?
Did we just break the fourth wall?
Dude, I don't know. Frick, what's next? What do I do? This is getting really meta. I can't tell if it's good meta or if it's too meta or not. Talk show. But what if art becomes self-aware? What if a narrative outgrows its need for narrative structure?
Well, that's when the preconceived rules of what art should be are truly broken. That's when the consumer is pulled into the world of the artist.
Interesting. Why don't we give that a try?
So what does this all mean? Nothing. Well, that sure was nihilistic. Have a good night, everybody.
Nothing in here.